So the Canon T7 is a great camera all round. I like it because it's a good price to get most people started into photography. And you can see it's a fairly lightweight option, so it's not actually that big to get in the way of anything. You have got options to change the lens, so when you get a bit more fancy and you start taking photographs, you can take the lens off and you can get a better lens and attach it to that. Just be careful with the lenses you look at, and if they're EF lenses, you'll be fine. And the camera itself performs very well in photo scenarios. So what would I mean by photos? Things like day-to-day photography. If you're doing photos for family, you're doing a holiday and you're taking a camera with you, it'd be a great option to get you good photos. In addition to that, it does work quite well for video. It does do 1080p video at 30 frames a second. So that's like a general good option for like YouTube type videos. However, that would work well for home videos as well. You get yourself an SD memory card and it's a great camera. Hopefully this gives you an idea of sizing and how it looks in the hand. And yeah, I've been happy with it. I still use it. So even though I have professional lenses, so definitely recommend it.